In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a cap that fits on a Stanley bottle that also utilizes the Cirkul, kind of this liquid kind of flavoring stuff right here. And what I have is the blueberry grape right here. And this thing works great. I actually misplaced my Stanley bottle, so I don't have it to show in this, but I put this back in the package to kind of show you a quick little unpacking of it. This right here, it's got a rubberized seal that runs around right there. It's a very high quality injected molded plastic. It screws down inside the Stanley bottle just like this. And what it does, this thing will actually use, not this lid, but this lid right here that on the Cirkul, all the Cirkuls fit exactly the same, whether it's the plastic bottle or like I got the metal bottle here. And what this does, this actually fits down on top of here like this. Check that out, everybody. Is that not awesome? So this will go on top of a Stanley bottle. So now you have your Stanley cup with the Cirkul flavoring right here. And this flavor that I have right here is the blueberry. I think, yeah, this is one of my favorite. This is the blueberry grape one. And let me show you another cool item with this. So let's say you take your cartridge out like this. I have a cap. These are the little injected molded caps that are threaded, and it's got a gnarl grip that goes around right there. This cap will go on there like that. 100% leak proof right there. And what's great about this, because see, after a while, you don't want to store these down inside your bottle. So if you're not going to be using your bottle for a while, one thing that you're going to want to do is take your cartridge out like that and put a cap on it, just like this. Now this is just a regular water bottle. Is that not awesome? So now I have like a regular water bottle, and then what's even better, another attachment is having this like little lid contraption here. Now I can have a Stanley bottle, have the water bottle cap on it, take that off, and any type of flavoring, whether they have the flavoring with the caffeine, they have, I don't know how many flavors at this point, maybe 30, but this is the one I'm using right here. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that's got a Cirkul bottle or just want some sort of flavoring that they add to their Stanley cup, because with the Stanley, you can go back and forth between hot and cold. This is basically really for cold liquid. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the adapter, the Stanley cup adapter, and the Cirkul cap lid. Check that out. See you all in the next video.